How to schedule Instagram post. So in this video I will show you how you can schedule Instagram post very easily, because when you will set time and date on Instagram post, that post will be published on that date and time even you are not using the Instagram on that date and time. So without wasting time, let's start video. If this video will be helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. So open the Instagram and then create a post. Then select the post which you want to schedule. After selecting the post, click on next and then again click on next. After that, scroll down the page and you will see advanced setting option. Click on it and then click on schedule this post, and here you can select the date on which you want to publish this post. After selecting the date, and here you can select the time. After selecting the date and time, click on done options and then go back and then click on share this post. So if you want to reschedule it or edit it, you can also edit and reschedule it. So click on profile icon and then click on three lines on top right, and then you will see schedule content. Click on it and here you will see schedule content. Then you will see three dots on top right. Click on it and then you will see edit post options, reschedule post options, and share no options. If you want to edit post, then click on here. Here you can add any captions and tag. So after adding any captions and tag, click on done options. So in this way you can edit this post. If you want to reschedule this post, then click on reschedule and then click on date and select the date, and you can select the time. Then after selecting date and time, click on done options. So in this way you can reschedule this post. So if you want to share this post before the schedule time, then click on three dots on top right and then click on share now options. So guys, by following this process you can easily schedule the Instagram post, edit the post, and reschedule the post. So if this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.